Hey everyone, it's Paulo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Digistore24 affiliate products without a website. So my goal for you today is to help you make this 997 US dollars per day. And I will show you the 3 simple steps that you will do so you can earn up to $997 with Digistore24. So this is Digistore24 right here. So basically I will show you how to use this platform and how to get affiliate products and then how to promote that affiliate product. So for those of you who are brand new, my name is Paulo Beringel and I'm a full-time digital marketer, affiliate marketer. So if you want to get this kind of videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So step number 1 is really simple. So get your Digistore24 affiliate link. So this is step number 1. So get the Digistore24 affiliate link. So to get the link, you just need to sign up with Digistore24. You can sign up 100% for free. And then once you sign up, you just log in into your account and then select as an affiliate, and then from there you go to the marketplace. And when you go to the marketplace, you select digital products. So you click on this drop down menu and then you scroll down, and then from here you want to select online marketing and e-business. So once you do that, you want to select this part where it says popularity, and then you will see that for this particular campaign, the affiliate offer that you want to promote, that I would recommend that you promote, and we are getting a lot of success with this particular affiliate offer, is this product called the Millionaire Partner System. And basically this product is a $1,997 product, and whenever people purchase through your referral link, then you make $997 commission. So you get 50% commission. So it says here 40%, but it's actually 50%. So what you do, you click on affiliate support page, and then it will open up this page right here. So you will see it here, Millionaire Partner System. You can earn 50% commission, and basically it's a $1,997 product. So this is an online webinar. So it's a done for you online webinar. You don't have to create a website. You don't need to build a landing page. Everything has been done for the affiliate, so you can check it out. And then you can get more information here. That's the creator of the system, Glenn. So that's the guy who created the system. So basically to get your link, all you need to do is click on copy promo link. And then you can test that link into a new browser so you can have a look. So this is the exact website that you will use as an affiliate. So really simple. So to get your link, okay, again, you just click on copy promo link and then you paste your link here. Basically that's it. That's your affiliate link. And then from here, what you want to do is focus on sending the traffic to this page. You just need to send a lot of people to this page. So when people go to this page, people who are interested to make money online, when they see this website, obviously they want to make, like that $1,000 to $3,000 a day. So they will also put their first name and email address here, and then they click on yes, I want the free web class. So basically, when people go to this page and they submit their details, and whenever they purchase, again, it's a $1,997 product, you get 50% commission. You don't need to speak to these people. You don't need to recruit people, because basically what you're doing is sending traffic to this page, and this page will do all the work, all the selling and all the telling. And for those of you who are asking, so step number 2 is how do you promote your link? If you are, let's say, a complete beginner, if you don't have any previous experience, you don't have any social media followers, you don't have any email subscribers, how do you promote your link and how do you get traffic to this page? Whenever we talk about traffic, that means people who are visiting your website or this affiliate link. So to get people to this page, to get traffic to this page, what you can do is go to this website. Step number 2, go to this website called affiliatemarketingtrafficagency.com. So this is my traffic agency that I created for my team members and students. So all the links will be in the comment section, so you can go to this website. It's called Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. So the main purpose of this traffic agency is to help anyone, complete beginners, no previous experience required. All you need to do is go to this website, and then you can select whether you want to promote your link on Meta or Facebook. If you want to promote your link on Google Ads or on YouTube Ads, you just have to select the traffic package that you want to purchase. And then there are different packages as well. So if you want to go, the smallest package that you can buy is the 50 buyers traffic campaign. So for the 50 buyers traffic campaign, you just have to pay, it's a one-time payment of $200 US. And you can select whether you want to promote on Meta, Google, or YouTube Ads. Now, if you want to be more aggressive, you can go for the higher packages. So the next package is the $300 US. We also have the $500 US, $1,000, and the $2,000 US right here. So for the $2,000 US, it's basically 1,000 buyers traffic campaign. So let's say, for example, depending on your budget, it's entirely up to you. Depending on the budget that you have, it's entirely up to you how much money do you want to make. So let's say, for example, that if you want to be more aggressive, okay, you want to purchase the Google Ads campaign, 1,000 buyers traffic campaign. So it's a one-time payment of $2,000 US. So currently it's on sale. Instead of paying $5,000, you're only paying $2,000 US, so you're saving $3,000 US. And then basically what you do, you click on the Google Ads campaign. So this is exactly how you can purchase a traffic package. You don't need to do any advertising, or you don't need to learn Google Ads, because this traffic agency will do the advertising on your behalf. So you can see it here. This package includes 1,000 buyers, traffic campaign, and management to your affiliate link or lead capture page. The traffic will be coming from Google Ads, and your campaign will be shown to the people who lives in the top tier countries, US, Canada, UK, and Australia. So if you're asking, why are we promoting this, why are we promoting your link to the top tier countries? The reason why we are promoting your link to the people in the US, Canada, UK, and Australia is because we only want to promote your link to the people who have the money and people who have the credit card. So we're only targeting the top tier countries, US, Canada, UK, and Australia. So we want to make sure that you become successful, and the only way that we can do that is by promoting your link to the people on the top tier countries. So that's exactly the reason. So all you need to do at this point is you just need to click on add to cart and then complete the purchase. Once you complete the purchase, that's everything that you need to do. Step number 3 is message me on Facebook and give me your link. So this is step number 3 right here. Okay, so message me on Facebook and give me your link. So once you complete the purchase of the traffic package, you will also get an email from me. Either way, you will get communication, because I want to make sure that I get in contact with you personally. So step number 3, message me on Facebook. So once you complete the purchase, you go to my Facebook page, and the link will be in the comment section. So this is my Facebook page. Message me on Facebook and give me your link. So again, you go back to Digistore24, you click on copy promo link. So this is the link right here. For example, that's going to be your link. So what you need to do is message me on my Facebook page and then give me your link. And then once you give me your link, this is exactly what will happen. So I have the existing campaign on Google Ads, right? I already have the winning campaign on Google Ads. It's fully optimized. It's been running since many years ago, probably since 2018. So I've been using the same campaign since 2018, and I'm just changing the links to either going to my referral link or going to my students link or to my customers link. So it's the same campaign. that you will be able to use. So once the campaign goes live, basically 1,000 buyers traffic will go to your affiliate link. Again, you don't need to speak to anyone, you don't need to recruit anyone, because I will be the one doing the advertising on your behalf. So once the campaign goes live, 1,000 buyers traffic will go to your link, which is going to be this page. So I just want to make this clear. You don't need to speak to anyone, you don't need to recruit anyone, you don't need to know who these people are. These are the people who are on Google searching for the keyword how to make money online. When they click on the ad, they will go straight to this page, which is going to be your referral link. And then, of course, people go to this page, they are interested to make money online, they put their name and their email, they click on yes, I want the free web class. They watch the webinar. It's an automated webinar, so it can happen, any time of the day, 24/7. It's completely automated. It's happening on complete autopilot. Whenever people purchase at the end of the webinar, because there's a product that is being sold at the end of that automated webinar, whenever people purchase, that is the part where you will make that $1,997 sale. And the commission is 50% commission. So whenever people purchase, you will get $997 commission. So again, it's like 1,000 buyers traffic campaign, one-time payment of $2,000. 1,000 people go to this page, and then of course, some of these people will opt in or subscribe, and then they will purchase. Whenever they purchase, you make $997 commission. So that's exactly the 3 simple steps on how to promote Digistore24 affiliate products without a website, and how you can make $997 per sale with Digistore24. So if you like this video, make sure that you give this video a like or a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I will answer them. You can also message me on my Facebook page. The link will be in the comment section if you have any other questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and all the links will be in the description of the video, so you can go and check out the affiliate marketing traffic agency, and you can purchase a traffic package and then message me on Facebook so you can give me your link. So thank you for watching. All the links will be in the comment section. I wish you all the best. I look forward to connecting with you on my Facebook page. And most importantly, I look forward to hearing your success story when you start getting these big commissions with Digistore24. So thank you for watching, guys. Again, all the links will be in the comment section. I wish you all the best, and God bless.